Okay, Danielle, this is for you. You said that you wanted to learn how to do clouds. Well, first of all, you got to start off with what you're going to have as a background for your sky color. I'm going to play around and show you how to do it. There's a couple different techniques, but first I'm going to put the background in and I'll make a video of doing that. I think over on this side I'm going to probably do blues and then fade it into kind of like a pink color here, and then a reddish orange over on red and maybe an orange, and kind of layer it that way to get a kind of panoramic kind of view. Anyways, that's enough for now. Like, subscribe, of course, to everybody else that's out there in Facebook and YouTube land. Alright, I'll get started here in a minute.